Hi friends, my name is Ritesh Shah from RS Yoga. Today I'm going to show you a few neck exercises for strengthening our neck, to relieve any neck pain if we are going through cervical spondylitis or stiff neck. As we know, in today's time, most of us are on our mobile phones or laptops or watching televisions for long hours, resulting stiff neck, neck pain, a lot of other neck issues. So today we are going to learn 5 simple exercises which will help us relieve the pain, strengthen the neck and maintain a good cervical. One important thing, friends, when you are watching television or laptop or on your mobile, make sure the screen is at your eye level or a little bit above it, but never so much down. Because usually we are like this on a system, and if you are playing games or chatting or something, we are completely into it, which causes a lot of stiffness or a lot of cervical issues. Okay, now we'll begin with exercise number 1. So exercise number 1 is neck up and neck down. This is how we usually do it, but we'll do little bit modification in this. Modification is, I will turn to the side to show you the modification. So if from here, you see my neckline is little bit slant. If I do up and down, I'm doing it on a slant line, okay, which compresses my cervical. So the modification is, first, make your neckline straight by pressing the chin with your first finger, so the neckline becomes straight, and then exhaling down and inhaling up. Exhaling down, inhaling up. I will just turn to this side and continue. Chin behind, exhaling down, inhaling up. This we are supposed to do 10 times. That is 1 round and a minimum of 3 rounds. Breathing is very important. It is very important to sync our body movements with our inhalations and exhalations. So when the neck goes down, we exhale. When the neck comes up, we inhale. Okay. From here, we will go to exercise number 2. Which is looking to the left, coming back, looking to the right. Back. So exhaling left, inhaling back, exhaling right, inhaling back. Every time you do left and right movements, try reaching like a half a centimeter more than your average neck capacity. This will help more with the mobility of the neck. Again, 10 rounds, 10 counts in 1 round. Okay, so 1 left and 1 right is 1 count. So such we'll do 10, that would be 1 round and a minimum of 3 rounds. From here, exercise number 3. Take your right hand above your left ear, okay, and now try bringing this ear, that is your right ear, to your right shoulder. Okay, only the movement is only of the neck. We should not slant this way, okay, or bring the shoulder to the ears. And a slight press from your hands, and you can do normal breathing. You will feel a stretch on the sides of the neck. We hold for 15 seconds. Then we slowly change. Now my left hand above the right ear. Normal breathing. Slow deep inhalation and exhalation. And slowly back. In this exercise we are holding for 15 to 20 seconds and we should be doing minimum of 3 rounds. Okay, 1 left, 1 right is 1 round. Okay, from here, exercise number 4. Okay, Place your right palm on the right side of your head and press the palm on the head, and the head will pressurize the palm in reverse. So something like this. None of them will be moving, but it will be creating tension on this side of the neck. And we hold for approximately 15 seconds again. Normal breathing. And slowly change this side. Same thing other side. In the beginning, create a bearable amount of pressure, okay, that your neck can take. Slowly, with regular practice, you can apply more pressure. Okay. Exercise number 5 and the last one. Is circular movements of the neck. Tuck your chin on the chest, okay, and inhaling, take the neck up and exhaling down, and reverse, inhaling up, exhaling down. One rotation till here and back is 1 round. Such we'll be doing 10 rounds, okay, and 2 sets of it. So here we complete our 5 simple and easy to do exercises. Practice them every day regularly, and you will feel and notice a lot of difference in your neck movements, the mobility, flexibility, strengthening. If the symptoms are major, then please visit a professional, get some professional advice, but also keep practicing regular neck exercises. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Along with the neck, we also, whichever body part we are working on, you should work on the neighboring body parts also, like the shoulders, hands, the diaphragm, legs. So in our further videos, we will be coming with shoulder strengthening, hand strengthening, leg strengthening, etc. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Ritesh Shah, RSU.